The plants in my vegetable garden are overgrown, but I still keep it because they're still producing fruits. Once the winter comes, this will be cleared. It's because they will die. That's when I clean the area. This Thai basil took over almost the entire garden. I let it flower so bees can benefit. I'm also waiting for them to produce seeds. Once they're done producing seeds, I will let it fall into the ground so next year they will grow again. I usually give the young plants to my coworkers and friends. I give a lot of Thai basil this year. This is my favorite friend. He's always protecting my plants from the insects and worms. My beans are still healthy and continue producing fruits. I found out that the short variety produces more fruits than the longer one. This okra never stopped producing fruits since June. I'm harvesting the fruit almost every day. The fruit grow fast, so I harvest them quick before it gets hard. These tomatoes got eaten by the rat. I got disappointed and will never plant tomatoes again because of this. is loofah. Loofah is a genus of tropical and subtropical vines in the cucumber family. It is a vegetable that is eaten when it's young and used as a sponge once it becomes fibrous. I'm trying to let the seeds of these basils develop and dry out. I let them fall into the ground for them to grow this spring. This is gourd. I'm trying to let it ripe so I can get seeds from it. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you are new to my channel, press subscribe in my YouTube channel, follow me in Facebook, press the notification button to be notified with my upcoming videos. Thank you for your support.